Today is March 7th. It is 1 o'clock. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. And there it is. Now, I've heard a lot of things about what's coming through. And I've read a lot of stuff on what could possibly be coming through. There are planets such as Ceres, Hercules, Nibiru, Harrington, and Farada. Harrington and Farada. Robert Harrington was the man who discovered supposedly Nibiru. He died in a mysterious car crash. Or no, he didn't die in a mysterious car crash. He died of cancer of the throat. But it was very, very quickly. Even his family didn't know. Farada was a man that was from... he was Spanish? Mexican? Carlos Monruzo Farada. He said a planet 5 times bigger than Jupiter, named Hercules, would be coming through. And he was right on a few things. He was right on an earthquake in July 1939. I want to say July 19th, but I could be wrong. Anyways, he was pretty accurate on his predictions. He was an astrophysicist almost. Some pretty interesting stuff. So take a peek, get out there and take a look. Size clear. Happy viewing. God bless.